Mr. Burns, you got presents?
Yeah, we do.
What we got?
You want to see it?
Are you gonna pull out on camera?
I'm gonna pull out of the box.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. That's a big box.
It is a big box.
You know why?
But that is a gasket for a...
That's the gasket set for the Packard. That's the set. That's everything.
Made in the USA.
Made in USA?
USA.
Yeah, that means it might be good.
Mm-hmm.
Or it's going to be really crappy with a sticker on it. Look at that. There it is. That's the full set. 35 to 47. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Packard 8.
Yep.
282.
Cubic inches.
Yep.
All right. Well, let's take that over to the car and just do that. And we'll open it up a little later because...
Oh, later we should be...
I'm gonna talk to them about doing the manifolds while we're there. But let's have that conversation before we open this up. But this is the gasket kit for everything. So whatever doesn't get used, we'll go home with the car.
Yep.
Got full set. Everything.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay.